Welcome to Definer Incorporated. If your remote team is struggling to stay productive, you're not alone. Communication gaps, missed deadlines, and scattered workflows can drain any team's efficiency. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll reveal 5 proven SaaS tools that will transform your remote team's productivity. Let's dive right in. With the right tools, you can bring order, structure, and clarity to your team's workflow, making everyone more productive, even when they're working from home. Tip number 1. Set clear expectations with task management tools like Asana, Trello, or ClickUp. Imagine this. Your team is juggling multiple projects, and deadlines are just around the corner, but no one's quite sure who's responsible for what. Sound familiar? With tools like Asana or Trello, you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and visualize progress with ease. Everyone knows what needs to be done and by when. For instance, Asana allows you to create recurring tasks for weekly check-ins or project milestones, ensuring that everyone stays on the same page. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget to make use of task dependencies. This helps to ensure that one task can't start until the previous one is completed, keeping your projects running smoothly without bottlenecks. Tip number 2. Foster transparent communication. One of the biggest challenges of remote work is the lack of immediate, clear communication. Endless email threads and private messages can easily create confusion. With tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, you can create dedicated channels for specific projects or departments, ensuring that conversations stay organized and accessible to everyone. Encourage your team to keep discussions in public channels rather than direct messages. This keeps everyone in the loop and helps avoid miscommunication. Take Slack's thread feature, for example. When someone asks a question in a channel, all responses can stay within a single thread, so nothing gets lost in the noise. Bonus tip. Use Slack's emojis and reactions to quickly approve tasks or acknowledge messages. It adds a bit of fun and keeps the workflow smooth. Tip number 3. Automate repetitive tasks with tools like Zapier or Monday.com. Your team's time is valuable, and spending it on repetitive, manual tasks like data entry, report generation, or follow-up emails is just not efficient. Zapier, for instance, connects your apps and automates workflows. Want to automate collecting data from Gmail to Sheet? Zapier can do that too. Automation reduces manual workload, minimizes human error, and frees your team up to focus on high-impact tasks. Tip number 4. Optimize your team's time management with tracking tools like Toggl or Rescue Time. When working remotely, it's easy to lose track of how much time is spent on specific tasks. That's where time tracking tools come in. With Toggl, your team can track the time spent on different projects, giving you detailed reports on how productive they are. This is incredibly valuable when you want to identify time sinks and inefficiencies. Toggl also lets you set time estimates for tasks, alerting team members if they're going over their limit, helping them stay on track without feeling micromanaged. Tip number 5. Foster team engagement with virtual collaboration platforms like Miro or Zoom. Remote work can sometimes feel isolating, and when team members feel disconnected, productivity suffers. Miro is a fantastic tool for virtual collaboration. It acts as an online whiteboard where your team can brainstorm, plan, and even design workflows together in real time. It's like being in a conference room together, but better, because no one has to fly in. And don't underestimate the power of regular check-ins via Zoom. Video calls aren't just for updates. They help maintain human connection and build stronger team bonds. Whether it's a daily stand-up or a virtual team-building session, these tools keep your team feeling connected and engaged. Let's quickly recap. Set clear expectations with tools like Asana or Trello. Foster transparent communication using Slack or Microsoft Teams. Automate repetitive tasks with Zapier or Monday.com. Track time and improve focus with tools like Toggl. Foster team engagement with Miro or Zoom. These tools are your secret weapons for improving remote team productivity. Try them out and you'll see the difference in how smoothly your team operates. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and strategies to keep your team productive.